What's up, guys? So recently I installed my new exhaust on my 2017 CBR 1000RR. I actually went with the Yoshi exhaust. Now there's a slip-on exhaust. So the first question that most people might have is, how does the exhaust sound? So in order to give you guys the best audio representation of that, I created this little setup here. This is obviously a GoPro Hero 5 Session and a field recorder. Now a field recorder has one job and one job only, and that is to record audio, so it's really good at it. Now while this can be a little bit invasive to my riding, it's not really that bad. I don't really use my back brake that much, just to rest my foot. But what we're going to do is we're going to actually be riding with this setup here. We're going to do some recording, and then we can kind of see how the new exhaust sounds. So let's go ahead and jump on the bike and get on the road. So this should be the setup you're able to see in here from the camera. Hopefully it looks good. It's pretty cool. It actually serves as a little rear-facing camera as well.